Hello traders, in this video we are going to tell you about the Zee Signal Market Scanner. Using Zee Market Scanner you can get to know what is happening on different script. Which scripts are in sell, which scripts are in buy. In which scripts the signals have come right now. In which scripts the signals have already come and it's not advisable to enter. Let's get started. To do is go to Indicator, and choose Zee Market Scanner from here. Just click Single and Zee Market Scanner will load on your screen. Allow it 10 to 15 seconds to load. Now you can see that the market scanner has loaded here. So let me tell you how to reach to the market scanner. And how to select your stocks to trade. So in this you can add up to 40 different scripts, which I will show you right now. This is looking very small, so let's try to change it. So here we are giving an option where you can move this dashboard to anywhere you want on the screen. And you can also increase or decrease the size of dashboard. Let's make it large. So you'll see that the dashboard, once you're chosen it, within 15 seconds it will become bigger in size. Now it loading, let's see. So what you are seeing in the dark red, and this the signals have already come. And whatever you see in red color, there is the signals has come right now. So you can go and trade. So what about market scanner you have? You can choose your own stocks by scrolling it down in simple settings. Right now we have a crypto. Suppose if you are a Forex trader, you can just go there and choose GBP/USD. And put it in the scanner. Same way you can change whatever segments you trade. You can change and have your own 36 stocks to trade or have it in the market scanner. And since we have added GBP/USD, it's buy, so the buy is reflecting here. So this market scanner will give you an idea of what is happening in different scripts. Whether they're in sell, whether they're in buy, in which buy has come recently, so you can scan your stocks, can up to 36 stocks at the same time. And make your reasons go it with that. Thank you.